Whenever you install an on-grid system or a hybrid system, one term that always comes up is the zero export device. You may have already seen in our videos that we showed a CT or a zero export device. So what is it? How does it work? Where is it used? And what are its benefits? Today, we will explain all of this in this video. First, let us understand what this device is and how it works. A zero export device is installed at the input source or on the mains line. It is used with on-grid or hybrid systems. Its main purpose is to stop electricity from going back to the grid. You already know that an on-grid system can either take electricity from the grid or send electricity to the grid. So, if you do not have net metering and still want to use solar power with the grid, then you need this zero export device. The zero export device makes your solar panels generate only as much power as your load is consuming. That is why it is installed at the main input. It senses whether the power coming from your solar panels is more than your load. If the power becomes higher, it sends a signal to the inverter and the inverter limits the solar generation to match your load. You will understand this better with an example. Suppose you have installed a 5 kilowatt solar system at your home and it is generating 4 kilowatt of power. But your home load is only 2 kilowatt. If you do not have net metering and you also do not have a zero export device, then 2 kilowatt will be used by your load and the remaining 2 kilowatt will be exported to the grid. But without net metering, you are not allowed to export power to the grid. That is why you need a zero export device. With this device, even if your solar panels can generate 4 kilowatt, your inverter will only allow 2 kilowatt generation if your load is 2 kilowatt. In simple words, after installing a zero export device, your solar system will either generate equal to your load or less than your load. It will never generate more than your load. Another use of this device is with a DG system. In places where there is no grid connection and you have installed an on-grid system because you do not need battery backup but you have a DG generator, you can use this setup. You can connect the CT of the zero export device on the DG supply and it will connect with your inverter. Just like it works with the main grid, it will also work with the DG supply. This allows you to run your load using solar panels along with the DG. So in this way, even without net metering, you can use your on-grid system with the help of a zero export device and reduce your electricity bill. If you still have any questions or suggestions, write them in the comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so you keep getting such videos regularly. Thank you.